Hello from Mindpads. TOK essay topic number 4. Error is as valuable as accuracy in knowledge production. KQ number 1. How far do you agree that error is useful and informative? Generally, an error is a deviation from accuracy. In science and technology, error is the difference between desired and actual, while statistics error or residual is the difference between the computed estimated or measured value and the accepted true, specified or theoretical correct value. A mistake is to an error caused by a fault, the fault being misjudgment, carelessness or forgetfulness. When confronted with errors, it is a natural response to investigate, probe, inquire, reflect and re-examine what went wrong. Compared to this, the zero anomalies from accuracy not only bolsters existing strategy and practices, it reinforces credence to prevailing knowledge and information. For the complete discussion of this knowledge question, read more at Mindpads.org. KQ number 2. How is trial and error fundamental for production of knowledge? Trial and error as a heuristic method of problem solving or producing knowledge is a solution-oriented, problem-specific, and needs a little knowledge of the underlying theory or concept. Trial and error is more useful in cases where no apparent rule is applicable and a single solution is required to begin exploring for a whole solution set. It is characterized by repeated varied attempts with continuing fine-tuning the error until the results are achieved. In behavioral experiments with animals, trial and error learning forms the foundation by incorporating both the successes and mistakes during a series of trials which was refined and extended as operant conditioning by B.F. Skinner. KQ number 3. How much can we rely only on insights and theory for production of knowledge? Tim Harford in Adapt and Virtues of Failure posits that because the world is complex and unpredictable, most interesting problems are inevitably solved through a process of experimenting and adapting, whether the experiments are formal controlled trials or more informal explorations. Recognizing and dealing with error constitutes a foundational principle of scientific inquiry. Both intentional and unintentional confrontations with error are central to our pursuits of understanding and knowing. KQ number 4. What is the contribution of errors in experiments and scientific method? In the disciplines of statistics and experimental design, error plays a very strategic and formal role. Clear distinctions are made to differentiate sources of error and the ways in which error is conceptualized mathematically. Some errors may be reduced through experimenter's intervention, while other kinds of errors are out of the experimenter's range of control. Principles and procedures exist to highlight the significance of error and its constructive use in scientific inquiry. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For complete discussions of all these knowledge questions, do visit us at mindpads.org or write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com.